everyone, we are from Learnomate Technologies. We do provide the training on different technical platforms like Oracle DB, RAG DB, AWS, Golden Gate. Then we have a training on Salesforce, Power BI and multiple other technologies. If you want to know about these technologies free of cost, you can visit our YouTube channel. Even you can follow us on our Instagram page. Currently, we have 15,000 followers available on our YouTube channel and same count is available on our Insta page. So, don't waste your time here and there, and if you want to learn all this technology free of cost, just follow us on our Insta as well as on our YouTube channel. Just if you check our description section, there we have already given the links of our Insta, LinkedIn and on our YouTube channel also. We do provide the training on this technology, that is a paid training. So if you are interested to understand about this technology completely in depth, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number. Our details are available in the description section. Thanks.